Alright everybody, I'm sorry for putting in very loud noises, so it won't happen again. There will always be loud noises in every video. This is the outro music. This is the outro music. Follow and subscribe. Yeah. If you stayed for this long, then you get to see some cool after credit scenes. Okay?
No after credit scene in this, mister. For watching if you made it this far.
No after credit scene. Oh, what a party pooper. What'd you say to me? Wow. Now you should learn your lesson.
Stop being such a party pooper.
Oh, you wanna fight, eh? You wanna fight? Well, it's gonna have to continue on Donkey Kong vs. Luigi. Stay tuned for that. So maybe there will be after credit scenes from now on. Thanks for staying. And goodbye.
Yeah, no, that's of a party pooper.
What'd you say to me? We're gonna do this and we're gonna deal it out in a few minutes once this video's posted. By the way, get out of here.